Welcome to Ninova Kids! Hello friends, I'm Nino. Today we're going to learn different sports balls. Are you ready? Let's play! This is a football. I kick the football into the goal. Hey! This is a basketball. Basketball goes into the basket. This is a tennis ball. I hit it with a racket. This is a baseball. Home run! This is a volleyball. Over the net. Over the net. This is a cricket ball. Four. This is a bowling ball. Strike. This is a rugby ball. Try. This is a table tennis ball. Bounce, bounce. This is a billiard ball. Into the pocket. Fantastic! Today we learned many sports balls. See you next time on Ninova Kids.